Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Common Code. This is Mustafa. Today I'm gonna explain something very important in Ionic, which is the colors of your applications, or in other words, the colors of your widgets. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So let's get started. So first of all, if you open your project, and then if you open your source, you will find a folder called theme, and inside it there is a file called variables.scss, and here is all of the colors that you can use in your application. And the good news is that you don't have to specify the color for each item and for each widget. Instead, you can just use one of these by using the word associated with the color. So for example, the primary color is the default color, meaning that widgets will automatically have the primary color. But if you want to, for example, use the secondary, which is a degree of the green color, you can specify, you can use the green in any of your widgets. And of course, you can add more colors. So for example, here, let's say we want to add brown color. So I'm going to name it brown. And the name here can be anything. It doesn't have to be brown. It can be anything. And the code is important. The code of that color should be here. So for example, if we want the brown color, let's just choose it. And this is not really a brown. Let's choose it from here. Let's just choose it. This is kind of brown. This is a brown. Choose this one, this degree. And now, in order to use it, which is the most important part, is that you go to the widget, for example, the button, and inside here, inside the tag, you would type color, and then equals to the name of the color. So let's say brown. And it will automatically go to the variables and check that color. Check the brown. What is the color code of the brown? It's this code. So it's going to apply this color code to this button. Let's now save and test. So as you can see, the brown color has been applied to this button. If we want, for example, to change this to, let's say, the danger, which is a red color, we would here just change the brown with danger. Now if I save, as you can see now, the red color has been applied to this button. So this is how you can use colors easily in your Ionic application. You don't have to set the color for each widget. You can just add all of your color variable in the variables.scss, and then whenever you want to use any of them, you can just apply it to the widget that you want to use that color and apply that color to. So that's it for this tutorial. If you liked this video, share, like, and also subscribe so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And also check the description below because I have created a free ebook on how to make money online coding. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later.